Get a mouse.
Okay, now we put a mouse into the bucket.
Get the mouse.
Oh, what's in there, man? Look. There's a treat in there for you. Look at. There's a mouse.
Get a mouse.
Yeah. Oh, what's in there? Oh. Do it. Now you're just being rude. Do I have to say the same thing to you I said to Francis? We'll leave you alone if you do this.
Just gonna keep taking pictures.
Well, regardless, you look really good on video. Maverick. Oh, now you're preening. The ultimate of ignoring us.
Come on. You want one. You want to play. No, I don't. Not at all. Can you just pick the mouse out and forget about all this paperwork? This one? Right there?
Whatever.
You want to play?
Okay, Einstein. You feel comfortable taking that glove off?
I think Einstein.
You want to come?
You go way back.
Okay,
Can
good
I
boy.
do the nasty with your hand first?
Okay, and then you can have your way with me if.
Yeah.
Just
Are
get it
you done?
No, he hasn't done it yet.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
There we go. That's it.
Thanks, Mom.
That little 2 seconds.
Were you?
Einstein.
A number? Pick a number?
Pick one. Einstein.
Nope, I've already got what I wanted
Yeah.
out of here.
I should have held off. That was too easy.
Want one of these?
Einstein. Could you be more stoic? Like,
Look. Look, Einstein. Here.
pick one. Einstein.
I pick your hand.
Somebody wants a prize today. Pick one.
No.
Pick one.
You're just probably just as bad. You don't want the mouse because you got the mouse in there. He's gonna
Look at he's that.
all the way around.
Will you take one? Just take one. Just humor us.
How about
Just
this one?
humor. Oh, yeah.
How about one of these? This one? Oh, this one? This one?
All right. Okay, fine. Back to your perch. Okay, come on, Wilbur. Come on out.
Come on.
Wilbur, come pick a number. Hi,
Wake
cutie.
up.
Oh, Wilbur's
Hi, cutie.
Wake up.
Come on, you gotta wake up and work. You gotta earn your living.
Like, leave me alone.
Here, look at papers to shred.
Because the lines are
Look
all
at
closed.
papers to shred. How cool is that?
No, just want to sleep. Come on.
Come on, cutie.
Get out, get out, get out. There you go. No, no, I'm going back in. Can't make me.
Okay, but we are gonna make you.
Come here. Come here. Where'd you go?
How could he disappear?
How? Yeah, I can't get my whole hand in here. But he can get away from me. Here, let's just do it like that. Now you don't have a choice. Here, go get a number.
Get a number. Take one. Here, we'll even dump them for you. Wilbur. Hey. Hey. Look at all that paper to shred.
Get one.
Grab one.
Go get one.
Grab one. Get one. Do it. Do it. Pick one up. Do it. He sees his little hidey thing over there. Watch out. Hey, come back here.
Behind the bucket now.
Come back here. Pick it up. Which one? No, it's
I can't do a nest.
oh.
He's got to find the right one.
Wilbur. You're not supposed to look at the numbers.
Just pick one.
It's supposed to be a blind test.
Oh, come on. No, what? She's gonna pick one from the inside. We won't
I know.
See.
Which one is it? Take one. You're not going to cooperate either?
No.
Even if you just chew on one. Chew on one and that'll be the choice. That'll be the choice.
A fruit pie then. I'll take that.
Yeah. The rats used to do it. You're not gonna let the rats outshine you, are you? Huh?
You can have your fork back.
The rats were always cooperative. Okay, epic failure. Okay, Paula. Here's the numbers. Come make some amazing things happen.
Yeah.
What's in there? Man, that's not fair. Okay.
We really need to save this one, don't we?
Paula. Come on. Not even slightly, huh? Not even slightly.
Don't know what you'd make it into.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Pete, look at these numbers. Look at these numbers. Get one. Oh, take it. You grab that one. Okay, yay, Pete got one.
Yay!
Good job, Pete. Finally.
What
I
number
thought we were
is
never going to get to go home. What number is it? He's like, well, you're going to have to open my door to find out.
Whoop.
Okay.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Yeah, you want out is what you want.
Open it up. You can do it.
Hi, Pete. Can we see what number that is?
Is he gonna get it from me?
What number did you pick, huh? Number 76. All right. Thanks, Pete. Thanks, Pete. I'll give you a treat. Here you go, Pete. Want that? Petey, Pete. Do you want that? Hurry before it gets away from me. Good boy. Good boy, Pete.